Here in a bowl, I am going to add 1 cup of flour. Put a cup of flour. Into this, I am going to add about half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, about 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of paprika. I am going to give this a good stir. Next, I am going to add in my chicken wings. After I have added my chicken wing, I have 3 drumettes and 3 flats. I am going to coat them well. Give it a very good stir. Rolling it multiple times in the flour so that it gets evenly coated. Okay, give it a nice stir. Giving every piece a very good stir. Now for the hot sauce, here I have about a tablespoon of butter. Let me add some more. I think this will do some good. To this, I am going to add in some hot sauce. This is hot sauce from American Garden. We are going to add that in. This is about 1/4 cup of hot sauce. We will give this a good stir. Try to mix it as evenly as possible. This is how well I can combine. This will not combine evenly, no problem at all.